1 Charlie Victor, hold at Alpha 4.
Hold on 4, 01 Charlie Victor.
EasyJet Bravo November, you will be number 2 to the aircraft on the runway at the moment. Would you prefer hotel or Bravo?
We can take hotel, EasyJet Bravo November.
EasyJet Bravo November with a taxi, holding point Hotel 1.
Hotel 1, EasyJet Bravo November.
EasyJet Bravo November, contact tower 132.555. Bye-bye.
132.555, EasyJet Bravo November.
Clear takeoff,
Ground, taxi via Alpha and Bravo to stand 3.
Alpha Bravo stand 3, C8, Charlie Victor. 4.
Hello, EasyJet Bravo November to Hotel 1.
EasyJet Bravo November, Luton, Roger, new QNH 1004.
QNH 1004, EasyJet Bravo November.
New QNH 1004, Lieutenant.
96 Bravo November, via Hotel 1, line up and wait, runway 07.
Hotel 1, line up and wait, 07, EasyJet Bravo November.
London 524 Papa, QNH 1004.
QNH 1004 is copied, Sierra London 524 Papa.
London 524 Papa, contact London Control 118.825.
1885, so after on 524 Papa.
Good afternoon, EasyJet 437.
EasyJet 437 ground, passing message.
And send 19 information, kilo requested.
EasyJet 437, information November, clear to Zurich on the match to Charlie departure, squawk 2023.
Clear to Zurich, the match to Charlie departure, squawking 2023, information November, EasyJet 437.
EasyJet 437, correct. QNH 1004, report ready.
QNH is 1004 and we are ready for startup, EasyJet 437.
EasyJet 437, stand 16, startup approved, and are you Bravo intersection able today?
To Udis. Easy 9522, Luton Radar, hello, no speed, no delay, runway 07.
We can accept the Bravo intersection takeoff and we are EasyJet 437.
EasyJet 437 and startup approved.
Startup approved, EasyJet 437.
Golf, Echo, Foxtrot, Luton Radar, pass message.
Please start out of Birmingham, Brill Street, Salmon Street, 4,300 on your QNH 1005, reach 5 positive for traffic service.